Summer 2021 is right around the corner, and if you're just like me and planning your next big trip, then you have made it to the right place. My name is Brian Gomez, and these are my friends. We like to travel around the country and potentially the world whenever it decides to open back up. Recently, we've traveled around the Midwest. We visited Wisconsin and Chicago, and now we're going all the way down south to my beautiful state of Florida and visiting my hometown, Orlando. In this mini-series, we visited one of Orlando's top theme parks and stopped by some of Central Florida's hottest spots. From choosing our own magic wands to running out of some of the scariest haunted houses in the area. We did it all, and we're so excited for you guys to see it. Whether you're watching this video for information on your next big trip or simply for some entertainment, whatever it is, just sit back, relax, and subscribe because you are watching The Ethnic Traveler. Now play the intro, baby. When you're arriving in Orlando, you're gonna want to come through the MCO Orlando International Airport. This is the main airport in this area, so it's gonna be the only one, so it's not hard to miss. After arriving or landing, you're gonna want to get picked up by a taxi, Uber, Lyft, whatever, or a family member if you have one here, and make your way to your hotel or Airbnb. Since we booked our stay at one of the Universal City Walk hotels, we decided to go eat somewhere nearby. This place is definitely one of my favorite restaurants to eat at, and it is called Junior Colombian Burger. So if you've never heard of this place, basically they're typical burgers, but Colombian style. So they do some crazy combinations, and it's so good. They're also famous for their amazing pineapple sauce. Ooh! Child, it's so good. Oh my God, I love it. So we're here at Junior Colombian Burger, and it's their first time, and they're about to try the pineapple sauce. So this place is famous for the pineapple sauce, and it's so good. Okay, so I want to get the reactions. Come here. Is it good? Okay. You got the impossible. Which one did you get? Oh, you got the. Oh, so with the fried egg. I should. Oh my God! Look how much cheese. They put plantain in that one? Damn, I should have got that. That's the explosion burger?
You want to get another and like half it?
Oh no, that's too much. Ooh, my. After eating our delicious burgers, we headed towards Universal's Endless Summer Resort because that is where we would call home for the next couple nights. If you're staying at one of these resorts, you need to know a couple things. One, that there are two of them, okay? We were confused when we arrived and we were like, which one are we staying in? Because they sound very similar. So the major difference between the two is that one is called Surfside and the other one is called Dockside Resort. Depending on which one you stay in, one of them is smaller and the other one is bigger. The Dockside is bigger, has taller buildings, and it has two pools. The Surfside Resort has one big pool and it's smaller in size. We stayed at the Surfside Resort. So when you arrive, depending on which direction you're coming in, you're most likely gonna be on I-4. So you will see two big signs. So make sure you know which one you're staying in. Also, they have different colors, so that will help you out too. When we arrived at the Surfside Hotel, we parked at the very far parking lot. And please don't be like us and do this because we had to carry all of our things, food, luggage, whatever it was, across the parking lot and all the way around to the front gate. And it was a lot of work, but it served as a good workout. When you finally make it to the entrance of the hotel, you will walk into a surfer's paradise. Squats in an elevator.
That's right.
And hold it.
Come here. Mine's just giggling in the corner. Yo, hold up. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at this pool. It's in the shape of a surfboard.
A fish.
Oh, it's a fish. No, it's a surf. Oh, it is a fish. No, you're right. It is a fish. After trying to figure out whether the pool was a fish or a surfboard, we decided to just run to our room because we were so excited to go into our 2-bedroom suite at the Surfside Inn Hotel. With a super spacious room like this, the perfect cherry on top would be an amazing view.
What the hell? Sorry. I thought the pool was gonna be here. Why the pool when you had the entire lake?
On the bright side, the beds were super comfortable and the space was great. I definitely recommend staying in one of these resorts. And now that you basically have a place to stay when you come to Orlando, you will need some entertainment and some activities. And if you do end up staying in one of these, most likely you will be visiting one of the theme parks. So in the next episode, me and my friends visit Islands of Adventure. So don't worry because we are covering all the do's and don'ts on this theme park. So while you wait, click subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and also click that bell icon so you'll be notified for the next video. And while you wait, you can go ahead and watch some of these videos here to quench your thirst for entertainment. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.
So good. Okay, try it.
Wait, you can act like you didn't even.
It's on camera.
No, she didn't even do that. She only got
What
a
that mouth
button.
do?
Oh my goodness, family friendly.
Wait,